Today, I'm installing this into this, my new Yamaha LS36. You can see that. No, you can't. Not really. Anyway, amazing guitar, amazing pickups. I've been using K&K probably since K&K started. But this is only the second one I've put in by myself. So wish me luck, peoples. And I'm doing this for you. This is so I can play this guitar live, which I will be doing because it's my new fave. I think I might have figured it out. I just moved this one that was down. It was down here. If I move it to there, it'll work. I'm a genius. So that box right there is a IR acoustic guitar player. So it's got an IR in it of my Burchett, my handmade Burchett guitar, which sounds fantastic. So basically you're triggering that sound. So it's hearing this guitar with the pickup, but it's also hearing that acoustic. And then it's being EQ'd, a lot of the mids pulled out, a little bit of low end bumped up, and then that's the reverb and the delay, the collider. The left side is the delay, right side is the reverb, and that's it. Just those three pedals basically. Yeah, that's what you're hearing. So it's pretty incredible, really.